There you go.
Hi everyone, I'm Rafael Stanzani from Connect Robotics, and we are enabling the use of drones to do deliveries. As many of you have done, you consume online. We now are purchasing more and more stuffs online, and this needs to come home. And how you can do this? Well, retailers and logistic operators are struggling to deliver our purchased stuff to our homes with faster speed and low cost, but they sometimes face challenges. They have a huge path, they have to cross rivers, they have hilly regions, and this takes cost and time. So this is why we are developing a solution to use drones to deliver. And for this to be possible, we believe that it's needed to have an autonomous drone, an air traffic controller, and a sender and receiver connector. So how does this work? It starts with the drone, which has an intelligence to avoid collisions and fly by itself. It connects with the base, which is the supplier, the retailer that will send the package. Before sending, it will connect with the delivery management and air traffic controller to get approvals to say, oh, can I fly in this path? It's possible. There is another drone flying in this region. There is a climate concern. Then it will also connect to the receiver, to the person that are purchasing the product, to say, are you available to receive? Or also, the receiver could be the target. Oh, I'm getting home. Can I receive my package? And all of this will be connected through an administration interface where the supplier, the retailer company, would see if the consumer are ready to receive the product and if the drone is ready to operate and to take off. So what is unique? They'll say, oh, another company of drones. Yes, another company, but not another one. We have a completely autonomous process, which means we can connect the distribution center to the consumer home. Why? First, we are hardware agnostic because we have an Android device to be the controller of the drone. It could, with the packet of sensor, we could put this packet in any type of hardware from different manufacturers, different sizes and capabilities. We have a collision avoidance based on machine vision, which can enable the drone to fly and to land safe. We have a centralized air traffic controller, which will keep everything together and working in a reliable way. And we will integrate all of this through our delivery management system. So the retailer and the customer will be able to see all the drones flying and how they are operating. And why this is a big opportunity? Logistics is an ever-changing sector. They keep facing challenges, and their demand is a continuous growth. Also, the distribution centers are every time more closer to the consumers. Big companies are starting to do trials with drones. I can name Amazon, DHL, Swiss Post, but also recently Walmart, which is a big retailer in the US market. This drone industry had attracted more than 300 million in venture capital financing just in 2015. Also in Europe, we have a benefit. First is the Galileo Global Network Satellite System, which will enable to have more precision to the landings. Also, the European Union Commission has a push to approve the regulation necessary to have drones using commercially. What is the competition? The first competitors are the traditional way to deliver, the courier in a motorcycle or walking. But when you talk to deliver to a hard-to-reach destination, it gets expensive and also not so quick as a drone flying. Our other player using drones like Amazon that I previously, but until now, we didn't see any pilot working. They are very secretly with their solution. We cannot ensure that they are doing well with this. One that's famous is Flirty. They made a delivery pilot using the NASA Unmanned Aerial Traffic Management System, Okay, they can do delivery, but they don't have a system to manage the delivery. They are relying on the NASA system that is focusing on to track the drones flying. Also Matternet, which is famous to do the delivery through the Swiss Post. They also doesn't offer a solution like us. What is the market? From our analysis, only in Portugal, we have 1.8 million residents in low density populated regions, which means 158 million total addressable market only in Portugal. Similarly to Europe, it reached to a 12 billion market. What could be our main customers, our verticals for us to target? First, hard to reach destinations, place that you have expensive cost to reach the consumer. Also, we could target the last mile delivery, is the last piece of the supply chain, which is go to the customer. By our analysis, we can reduce 6% of this last mile cost, which means 95 million euros in savings just in Portugal. It can also boost sales for retailer companies by offering a new type of delivery, and also for big facilities to use to internal deliveries. Like, for example, a big farm in Brazil or in the US that needs to transport like blood from an animal to one place to another. What are our business model? We want to sell to companies, like in a B2B market, targeting the drone delivery as a service by a 2.5 euro per delivery. By doing this, we expect to reach near to 9 million revenues in 5 years. What are our stage of development? We have a working minimum viable product with the application, the receiver application, and the interface to view the drone. We are looking investment to have a pilot working, have the technology and market validation, and completed the prototype in the first year. In the second year, we expect to have a final product, have increased the customer development, and additionate the Galileo technology. In the third year, we want to go international, and by the fourth year, we expect to be profitable. Our team is made by me, Rafael, CEO, with industrial engineering background, working with big multinationals and supply network design, and Eduardo, which has a PhD in autonomous control navigators. Thank you.